How to record WhatsApp video call with audio. Hey everyone, this is Rose from Create, Login and Delete. And without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Recording WhatsApp video call with audio is quite easy and simple. Simply what you need to do is the use of screen recording on your device. So screen recording is the built-in feature on your devices. So in order to get access that you can simply swipe from the up to down and this way and tap on the screen recording. And after that if you're on video call with someone, you can easily screen record the video call with audio with that person. So if you want to make any changes regarding the screen recording, you can simply open settings on your device. Go to additional settings, scroll down, select screen recording. And here you can either record system sound or record microphone sound as well. Here under picture there is definitions and frame rate. You can easily change that as well and other things about record from camera, video, source screen touches, and video coding format. You can easily customize all this option and easily record WhatsApp video call with audio. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.